Now that I've got the stud walls finished for the sides, I need to consider the ends. One end will be a people door, and to get myself through it, it'll have to take up most of the end of the coop. The other end will be nesting boxes and a roost and feeding and water stations, and I haven't really figured out all that stuff yet. So let's get started on the basic plan. I got one laid out on the floor in the garage. Well, I built the frame, and then at the last minute I decided to add a little header to it, which I put on crooked, and then my first attempt at building the door didn't fit, of course, so I decided to fix it. That'd be door number 2, and I managed to completely bungle up the materials and screwed everything up, so I reset this to get it right, and then I had to go get more materials. So what follows now is called What's Behind Door Number 3. I can be my own worst enemy. Jeez. Well, door number 3 was a little more work than it should have been, probably because I'm just awkward. But let's see if it fits. Yep, plenty loose for a screen door and a chicken coop. Third time's a charm. But I got one more panel to build. I still have to build a basic end panel for the end that has the roost and the nesting boxes and the feeder station and the water station. And I haven't figured out any of that yet, but I do know I need an end panel. So let's make one of those. Well, I'm not going to put in the video working on this thing, but this is the end panel that I made. Its height is from here to there, and it will basically match up with that. And I didn't do this stuff because the garage was such a hassle. The material's all warped and bent and too many bleeps. The door is right there, staged for staining, and the door is over there. And I'll take a look at that again. This is the door frame. I added a couple pieces on the east sides. That'll make sense when I go to start assembling it. So we're pretty much ready for stain. I got all my pieces laid out and not too breezy, so let's give that a try.